Go through customs.
过海关。
Number 1. Passport.
1. 护照。
May I see your passport, please?
我可以看一下你的护照吗？
May I see your passport, please? May I see your passport, please?
你可以用以下方式回答。
Yes, here you are.
好的，给你。
Yes, here you are. Yes, here you are. Number 2. Purpose.
2. 目的。
What is the purpose of your trip?
你此行的目的是什么？
What is the purpose of your trip? What is the purpose of your trip?
你可以用以下方式回答。
I'm here for traveling.
我是来旅游的。
I'm here for traveling. I'm here for traveling. I'm on a business trip.
我是来商务出差。
I'm on a business trip. I'm on a business trip. I come to study. Here is my student visa.
我是来学习的，这是我的学生签证。
I come to study. Here is my student visa. I come to study. Here is my student visa. I come to visit friends, relatives.
我来拜访朋友、亲戚。
I come to visit friends, relatives. I come to visit friends, relatives. I'm here for a travel study program.
我来这里参加短期游学。
I'm here for a travel study program. I'm here for a travel study program. Number 3. Profession.
3. 职业。
What do you do?
你做什么工作？
What do you do? What do you do?
你可以用以下方式回答。
I'm
我是。
I'm I'm an English teacher.
我是一名英语老师。
I'm an English teacher. I'm an English teacher. I'm a student.
我是一名学生。
I'm a student. I'm a student. I'm retired.
我退休了。
I'm retired. I'm retired. Number 4. Destination.
4. 目的地。
What is your final destination?
你的最终目的地是什么？
What is your final destination? What is your final destination?
你可以用以下方式回答。
I'm going to.
我要去。
I'm going to. I'm going to. I'm going to Taiwan.
我要去台湾。
I'm going to Taiwan. I'm going to Taiwan. I'm here to transfer to.
我来这里是为了转机到。
I'm here to transfer to. I'm here to transfer to. I'm here to transfer to Australia.
我来这里是为了转机去澳洲。
I'm here to transfer to Australia. I'm here to transfer to Australia. Number 5. Stay.
5. 逗留。
How long will you be staying?
你将会待多久？
How long will you be staying? How long will you be staying?
你可以用以下方式回答。
I will be here for.
我将在这里待。
I will be here for. I will be here for. I will be here for 5 days.
我将在这里待5天。
I will be here for 5 days. I will be here for 5 days. I will be here for 2 weeks.
我将在这里待2周。
I will be here for 2 weeks. I will be here for 2 weeks. Number 6. Accommodation.
6. 住宿。
Where will you be staying?
你将会住在哪里？
Where will you be staying? Where will you be staying?
你可以用以下方式回答。
I will stay at.
我将住在。
I will stay at. I will stay at. I will stay at ABC Hotel.
我将住在 ABC 酒店。
I will stay at ABC Hotel. I will stay at ABC Hotel. I will stay in the dorm.
我将住在宿舍。
I will stay in the dorm. I will stay in the dorm. Number 7. Return.
7. 返回。
When are you planning to return?
你打算什么时候回去？
When are you planning to return? When are you planning to return?
你可以用以下方式回答。
I will stay until.
我将会待至。
I will stay until. I will stay until. I will stay until August 7th.
我将会待至8月7日。
I will stay until August 7th. I will stay until August 7th. Number 8. Cash.
8. 现金。
How much currency, cash are you carrying?
你携带了多少货币现金？
How much currency, cash, are you carrying? How much currency, cash are you carrying?
你可以用以下方式回答。
I have cash.
我有现金。
I have cash. I have cash. I have $2,000 cash.
我有$2000现金。
I have $2,000 cash. I have $2,000 cash. Number 9. Carry on luggage.
9. 随身行李。
What do you have in your bag?
你的包里有什么？
What do you have in your bag? What do you have in your bag?
你可以用以下方式回答。
Just my clothes and the essentials.
只有我的衣服和一些必需品。
Just my clothes and the essentials. Just my clothes and the essentials. Number 10. Declaration.
10. 申报。
Do you have anything to declare?
你有物件需要申报吗？
Do you have anything to declare? Do you have anything to declare?
你可以用以下方式回答。
I have nothing to declare.
我没什么需要申报。
I have nothing to declare. I have nothing to declare. Yes, here is the declaration form.
有的，这是申报表。
Yes, here is the declaration form. Yes, here is the declaration form. You're free to go. Enjoy your trip.
你可以走了，祝你旅途愉快。
You're free to go. Enjoy your trip. You're free to go. Enjoy your trip. Thank you.
谢谢。
Thank you. Thank you.